Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yasser if you're new here, and today I'm showing you guys how I stretch my hair without using heat, and I'm showing you guys how I did this hairstyle at the end of it. So as you can see, I really like it, and I'm starting out on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to add in my aloe vera leave-in conditioner just to, try to moisturize my hair and to add in a lot of stuff in it. And then after that, I'm basically just rubbing it in. Before you do this, if your hair is thick, make sure you wait for your hair to air dry for at least an hour before you start doing this process. So I'm adding in Maui Moisture Curl Cream again just to moisturize my hair, and then I'm going to go in and seal in everything with my whipped whipped shea butter mix. I'm going to leave the shea butter mix linked down below, and also my aloe vera leave-in conditioner linked down below if you want to see how I make it. So I like to work in sections, so I divide my hair in 4 sections, and then I divide each section into 3 smaller sections. So as you can see, I'm just adding the product in, and I am finger detangling. I did not detangle my hair. I honestly don't feel like people need to detangle their hair if the hairstyle you're going to do does not require for you to detangle your hair. I mean, if you're doing a puff, girl, you don't need to detangle your hair. You're just going to, put that stuff in a puff. So as you can see, I'm going in with a thread, and I'm basically just going to wrap it around my hair, and I'm going to keep pulling my hair to stretch it a little bit as I'm doing that. Don't pull your hair too much or it's going to be painful, and it's going to beat the purpose of you actually trying to stretch your hair without using heat, because you don't want to damage it. So be gentle with your hair. I'm going to repeat the same thing again on this section, just add in the products while I'm finger detangling, and then going in with a thread and just wrapping it around my hair. So if you want your hair to be more stretched out, you should definitely detangle it. And if you want, again, your hair to be more stretched out, then use a smaller section. I really didn't care, or I was just not going for like a super stretched out look because I wanted the puff at the back. So I did like 3 sections in each of my 4 sections. So this is the last one that I'm doing on camera. I'm just going to go off camera, and well, basically I went to bed. So again, if you want your hair to be dry in the morning and you have thick hair, make sure you wait for an hour after washing your hair before you do this process. I had a meeting in the morning, so I basically pinned everything to the back to make it look neat, and this is what it looks like. So I am just going to remove the thread at this point. I'm just basically unraveling it. By the way, if you tie it super tight at the bottom, it's going to be super annoying to remove it. So just tie it loosely in a way, or in like a loop where you can just pull it out and it opens. So as you can see now, I'm just basically playing with it to unclamp the hair, and I'm going to repeat the same process with the other sections and just pull out the thread. So when I finish with the thread, as you can see, I'm just going to style my hair now. So at this point, you can style it however you want to. If you wanted your hair to be detangled, because you're doing a style where you'll be manipulating your hair, then you can go on ahead and do that at this point. But that's not what I wanted. So as you can see, I'm just brushing my hair gently to the back because I want to wear a low puff. And I am just going to do that until I get it to the way I want it. I'm going to use this Shine and Jam gel just to make sure my hair is laying as flat as possible, and also just to add shine to it. But the shea butter mix actually works really well, and it makes your hair look shiny, and all the other oils that I added into it. But this is just an extra, and you guys know I'm extra. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and join the family. We upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, so don't miss out on the fun and just subscribe. So as you can see, I'm just using a brush to sort of lay my edges, just lay them. And then for some reason, I'm never comfortable just doing a puff right from the beginning. So I usually have to put in like a hair tie just to make sure the hair is sitting where I want it to, like so. And then after that, I go in with a string and I basically tie it around to where I want the puff to be. I find that this is just so much easier to put my hair in a puff like this, and I don't pull my hair very much. I think I have a video on how to create a faux puff if your hair is not long enough. But if I don't have it, then I'll definitely do that very soon for you guys. I'm going in with this hair accessory just to, add a little oomph to the style. And I bought this from Icing. It's called icing.com. I'm also going in with these earrings. I forgot what this shape is called, but I love them. Y'all know that I love my earrings. But that's it for the hairstyle, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you have not subscribed yet, again, girls, just subscribe and join the family. But that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for coming by. Have a lovely, lovely week. I'll see you on Saturday. Bye.